Good evening, folks. I'm Jay Oliver. In the upcoming moments, Team Go to the Po will be presenting to you their favorite court cases through the lens of pop culture. Now, keep in mind that what you will soon be experiencing took extensive research and effort. Some scenes may be too graphic and too intense for children of young ages. The information provided for these court cases may be altered for the entertainment value of this program. Sit back, relax, and here we go.
In the Supreme Court case of Plessy v. Ferguson, the Supreme Court found that separate but equal accommodations did not violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. These are their stories.
Hello, welcome to Hogwarts. It's time for the annual sorting ceremony. Gather round, hush hush. First up, Hermione Granger.
Gryffindor!
Draco Malfoy.
Slytherin!
Harry Potter.
Psst, Harry. Psst, Harry. No, up here. Sad. You know, you can choose Gryffindor or Slytherin.
Professor, which house should I pick? Don't worry, Harry. The houses may be separate, but they're all equal.
Gryffindor!
The Supreme Court case of Shank v. United States established a clear and present danger test, which is used to draw the line between protected and unprotected speech. The court uses this test to decide whether these words create a clear and present danger to determine if speech can be limited. These are their stories.
Gia Bailey voted for George Demos? That was one time. Mr. Lisa got pink eye and dropped out of school?
Hell no! I didn't leave economics for this!
Miss Norbury is a drug pusher. Mr. Wow, look what these kids are saying.
I'll go for the girls' sports and courtroom immediately! Immediately! Now we need to get to the bottom of this. Someone is spreading slanderous information around the school. Now this presents a clear and present danger to the well-being of our school. Because of this, I can and will limit your freedom of speech.
In the Supreme Court case of Gibbons v. Ogden, the Supreme Court upheld that only Congress has the power to regulate interstate commerce and that this commerce power had no limits except those specifically stated in the Constitution. These are their stories.
Toto, I can't wait for GoPo tomorrow. Oh no!
the interstate road!
Who are you? I'm Dorothy. Who are you? Hi, Dorothy. I'm the good go poet, Glenda. How do I get home? Now, you see, all I have to do is click those red slippers 3 times. Thank you so much. Glenda! Glenda, what's going on? That's the Wicked Witch of the West.
If you want to cross the interstate border, you have to pay a tax on those shoes.
No, 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 no! Remember, only the good witches, the federal government, have the power to regulate interstate commerce. No!
In the Supreme Court case of Miranda v. Arizona, Chief Justice Earl Warren declared that prior to any questioning, the accused must be warned that he has the right to remain silent, that any statements he does make may be used as evidence against him, and that he has the right to an attorney. These are their stories.
Welcome to American Idol. I'm your host, Ryan Seacrest. Our first contestant today is age 25. She enjoys skateboarding, singing opera, and dog breeding. She also likes eating turnips. Born and raised in Missouri City, Kansas, welcome, dog breeding, Liz Khalifa.
Okay, what's up, dog?
Hello, my name is Liz Khalifa. What will you be singing for us today? An original song about my one true love. And we'll never be puppies. Puppy, 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 pup. You can call me K9. And puppy, 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 pup. So good.
Amazing. And that was our Liz Khalifa. Very good original. So judges, are you ready to vote?
Yes, absolutely.
Horrible. It's a no for me.
Dog, you're going to Hollywood. Dog.
That was Liz Khalifa. Our next contestant is 36 years old. She enjoys vandalizing, CrossFit, and singing. She enjoys eating cabbage. She's from Phoenix, Arizona, and she's a speech teacher. Welcome, Miranda Wright!
All right, whenever you're ready.
So what will you be singing for us today? What are you doing?
Perfect.
What was that?
To remain silent.
We'll be back after the break. This is American Idol.
Action. No. Action. Yes.
Oh boy, okay.
Nicholas Lord, please.
Tell you. Yeah.
That's beautiful reaction. No, don't do it yet.
In 12 minutes.
Actually, oh my god, I thought that was a real person. Action! Action!
Welcome to American Idol.
No! Action! Action!
Welcome to American Idol. I'm your
Power to regulate interstate commerce.
Man, that was so cool! Amanda, I think you have to step in.
I can't. No, you can't step in. I can do it. Good evening, folks. I'm Jay Oliver.
Let's do it.
I didn't sign up for this.